Good morning children. How are you everyone? I think everyone fine. Okay. Now we are going to start first class mathematics. Everyone open turn to book page number 66. Here how we have to add 2-digit number and 1-digit number is there. Okay. First of all we will discuss what do you mean by 1-digit number and what do you mean by 2-digit number. First of all 1-digit number. One-digit number is nothing but it will be started from 0 and it will be have only one number in this. That are all numbers are known as one-digit numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 after what we are getting children? 9 after we are getting 10. 10 is a 2-digit number. Why? Because here we have two places, 1's place and 10's place. Which numbers having only one number, it is known as the only 1's place. Which numbers having two places, 1's place and 10's place, that numbers are known as 2-digit numbers. 2-digit numbers. 1-digit numbers and 2-digit numbers. 2-digit numbers start from 10 and 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and continuously up to 99. Which number children? 99. These all we are known as a 2-digit numbers. Now how we will add 2-digit number and 1-digit number we will discuss now. Okay. First of all 10. How we are getting 10? 10 ones equal to 10 ones equal to 110. Everyone open your classwork and have to note down these three first of all. Okay. 10 ones equal to 110. For example, what is this? Chalk piece. Okay. See, it is one chalk piece, it is one more chalk piece. Total like this we are adding 10. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and when we are adding one more, see 10. Like this, when we are making as a one bundle 10 objects, it is known as a 110. Okay, like this we are getting 10. In 10 we are having two numbers, 1's place 0, 10's place 1. It is known as a one group. One group is known as a one bundle. Okay, now one bundle means you have to think in that compulsory it will be 10. Now how many chalk pieces are there in my hand? 10. Same like that, they given 10 pencils as a bundle in your textbook, page number 66. See everyone, here total one bundle is there, means you have to think in that bundle you have only 10 pencils. Okay, they given one bundle of pencils and two pencils separate. Now 10 plus 2. Total it will be equal to 12. Okay. 10 plus 2, 12. Now 12 after they given 5. 12. 12 in the mind. 5 means take 5 fingers. 12 after 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Like this also you have to count. Otherwise they given pencils clearly in your book. You have to count the pencils also. Count. Bundle of pencils means I said now only 10. 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Total we have 17 pencils. They given here. 12 plus 5 equal to 17. 110 plus 7 ones. 110 means total one bundle is known as a 10. Just now only I told in this way they given 1 in the 10's place and 7 is in the 1's place. See, single pencils how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 is in ones place. So they given 1 10, 7 ones. Here also 1 7, 17. Now same like this you have to do this next problem. Okay. Page number 66. Page number 66. We have first term add 14 plus 5. 14 plus 5 equal to dash. Here they given 14 plus 5. Okay. 14 plus 5. Now you have to count. They given 110 plus dash ones. Okay. Now see here children. Here they given 14 plus 5. In your textbook they given pencils. See everyone. Okay, see here they given in your textbook 10 bundles as a group. So one bundle you have only 10 pencils. So they given one in the tens place. And separate how many green color pencils are there? Count once 10 beside. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4. 10 plus 4, 14. So they given 14 here. Place. Next, how many pencils are there separately? Count once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pencils. Now, count the total pencils. Total one bundle is known as 10 pencils. 10 after which number will come? 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Total how many pencils are there children here? 19. So here 14 plus 5, 19. And in your book they given one bundle. One bundle means it is in the tens place. So 110. It is known as ones place. Single digit means next digit means tens place. Now ones place which number is there? 9. So write down 9 in the ones place. Already they given one in the tens place. No need to write. Now add the numbers 14 plus 5. You have to do this one in two methods. First of all 14 is there up. 14 in the mind, take 5 fingers. 14 after 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We are getting 19 as the answer. So you have to write down 19 directly here. Otherwise you have to do one more method also. 14 plus 5. Now let's see. It is the ones place and it is the tens place. First you have to add the ones place numbers. Okay. Ones place first which number is there? 4. Draw the 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next which number is there? 5. Draw the 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now count all the lines children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the answer in the ones place? 9. So I written in the ones place down only. Some members you are writing like this. It is a wrong. Ones place answer compulsory write down the ones place only. Now go for the tens place. Tens place we have only one number. Here down any number that is not given for adding. So you have to write the one only directly. Okay. 1 plus 14 plus 5, 19. Okay. How like you are adding also you are getting the same answer. Next one more question. In your textbook, one more question is there. That is 11 plus 7. 11 means they given one bundle of pencils. One bundle is known as 10 pencils. 10 plus 1. Side only one pencil is there. 10 plus 1, 11. Okay. 10 plus 1, 11. Plus. Next, how many single pencils are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. You have to count the all pencils now. First bundle of pencils means 10. 10 after 11. 11 after continuously have to count. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. What is the answer, children? 18. Now 110 plus dash ones. See, observe here. Just now only I told it is the ones place and it is the tens place. Tens place which number is there? 1. They written in the tens place 1 already. Now ones place they given dash. Ones place which number is there? 8. So you have to write down 8 in the ones place. Now do the addition. 11 plus 7. You have to do two methods. I told now first number should keep in your mind. Next which number is there? That many fingers you have to open, count and write. Otherwise add ones place separately, tens place separately. First ones place which number is there? 1. You have to draw one line beside the 1. Otherwise you have to keep in your mind. First number should keep in your mind. See how like means. Now I am doing first ones place addition. 1 in the mind. Next which number is there? 7. 1 in the mind. Take 7 fingers. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the answer, children? 8 you have to write down in the straightly ones place only. Next tens place. Tens place we have only one single number. Here any number not there for adding. So directly have to write down. 1, 8, 18. Here also we got the same answer. Okay. Same like this. Two more questions is there. Page number 66. You have to do these two problems. Okay. These two is there. Once you have to take the note down, everyone open your classwork and write down. Otherwise take the screenshot. I'll add the board and we go for the next page. Okay, I think everyone completed screenshot. Now I am going to wrap the board. We'll go for the next page. Okay, now everyone open page number 67. In this we have add using the number straight. First of all, what do you mean by number streak? Number streak is nothing but we are writing numbers as a sleeping line and we are making as a box. It is known as all numbers we are writing as a sleeping line. It is known as a number streak or number line also hard to say. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and in the textbook only. First listen how we have to do. Here I took numbers from 0 to 20 only. Okay. Okay. Numbers 0 to 20 and they given down questions with the given 15 plus 3 and 12 plus 7 and 11 plus 15 10 plus 5. Okay. Next one more 13 plus 6 14 plus 4 10 plus 7 17 plus 2. They given some questions. See here. First they given 15 plus 3. Actually in normal method means how we are doing. First we are adding ones place and we are going for the tens place. But here what did they given? Add using the number sheet. Means you have to compulsory use the number line when you are doing addition. Okay. See how we have to do. First they given which number? Ones place and tens place you have to observe both. 15 they given. Okay. 15 plus 3. You have to observe where is the 15 number in the given number sheet. Here is the 15. Okay. 15 after which number is the given children? 3. So you have to count 15 after to 3 numbers. 15 after 16. 1, 2, 3. Which number you are getting? 18. So which number you are getting counting after counting the 3 numbers, that is your answer. Okay. 18 is your answer. That 18 you have to write down here. 1 write down in the tens place only and 8 write down in the straight in the ones place. It is 18. Okay. Go for the next problem. What is the number did they given? 12. For this 12, which number you have to add? 7. They given you have to add the 7 for 12. See where is the 12 number in the number sheet? Here is there. Okay. For this 12 you have to add 7 numbers. Means 12 after 2. Don't count 12 number. 12 after 2 count 7 numbers. And which number you are getting, write down that number as a answer. 12 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which number you are getting as a answer children? 19. That 19 you have to write down in the answer place. 1 should write down in the tens place. 9 you have to write down in the ones place. So 19. Same like this only have to complete all problems what did they given in your textbook. 11 plus 5. Observe where is the 11? Here. 11 after to count to 5 numbers. 11 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is your answer here? 16. 16 write down in the answers place. Okay. Same like this. One more question. 10 did they given first? 10. Here is a 10. 10 after count to 5 numbers. Why? Because they given next to 5 only. Which number they are giving in the next, that many numbers you have to count and which number you are getting as the answer, that answer write down here. 10 after count to 5 numbers. 10 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is your answer? 15. 1, 5. 15. Okay. Now 13 plus 6. Where is the 13 number? Here. 13 after again we have to count to 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, what is the answer? Again we are getting the answer don't think first only we got the 19, again how we have to write. Don't think like that. Which answer you are getting, that answer only you have to write down. Okay. 1, 9, 19. Okay. Next 14 plus 4. 14 plus 4. Where is the 14 number? Here. 14 after count how many numbers you have? 4 numbers. Okay. 14 after 1, 2, 3, 4. What is our answer? 18. 18 we have to write down in the answers place. Next 10 plus 7. 10 after 2 count to 7 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer is 17. You have to write down 17 as a answer. Next 17 plus 2. Here is the 17. 17 after again count 2 numbers. Don't count the 17 number. That after you have to count. 1, 2. What is the answer? 19. You have to write down. Already in your textbook you have 16 problems. Out of 16 I explained here. Remaining 8 problems you have to complete in your textbook. Just use the number sheet, count the numbers and you have to write down the answers. Over after here you have fun to do. Okay? What do you have, Shana? Continuously have fun to do. Fun to do means what is that they given here? 16 plus 13. They given some balloons in this box. Okay? See, they given some problems also. Now, here you have to do normal addition. Don't use the number sheet. First, you have to add the ones place numbers. 6 plus 3. It is the ones place and it is the tens place. First, add the ones place numbers. They given 6. Next, they given 3. First number should keep in your mind. 6 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9. Okay. Next 1. Tens place they have only 1. They did not give any number. So you have to write down directly 1 in the tens place. Okay. Next 10 plus 3 also they give it. Here see. Ones place we have 0 first. When we are adding 0 to any number, we are getting number itself. See, for example, I don't have any chocolates. 0 means I don't have any chocolates. My friend given to me 9 chocolates. How many chocolates given to me, my friend? 9. Now, how many chocolates left with me? How many chocolates I have now? I have only the 9 chocolates. Okay? Same like that. If you add any number to 0, you are getting the number itself. So, 0 plus 9, 9 only. And 1 as it is 1. Why? Because here they did not give any number for adding. Next see, 0 plus 3. Okay. 0 means nothing is there, ma'am. If you are adding 0 to any number, you are getting the number itself. For example, you have 3 balloons. Okay. You are playing with that balloons. Okay. Any balloon not burst. Okay. Means how many balloons left with you? 3 only now. Yes. 0 means not at all using anything. So we have totally 3 balloons with you. 0 plus 3, 3 only. Next, tens place we have only 1. Write down 1 as it is. Okay. Now 19, 13. Same like this in your textbook. You have some more problems. Answers you are getting as a 13 and a 19 only. Other number not at all coming. Which answer you are getting as a 13? Answer 13 will come means you have to shade with the green color. Which color? For that balloon you have to shade with the green color crayon. Next, which answer you are getting as a 19? For that balloon you have to shade with the pink crayon. Okay? Pink crayon. Like that you have to do the answers. Shade with blue and green, pink and green colors. It is your homework today. What is your homework, children? Complete in textbook page number 66 and 67. It is term 2. Okay, you have to complete this 66 in this text page and this one in this page. This is your homework. Okay, thank you. We will meet in the next class only. I am going to end the class. Take the screenshots, everyone. Complete your homework in time.